Congrats, little champions. How's the Josh? I hope the Josh is really high. You're good, right? And yes, your exams are going on. And in between that, probably you might be thinking, what is ma'am doing over here? So yes, after exams, you have to get into colleges, right? So I am here to talk about very important information about COMEDK, which is a entrance exam that would get you into the top colleges of Karnataka. If you are from Karnataka, if you're not from Karnataka, everyone can give this examination, right? And the last day of application has been approached. So tomorrow, 15th of March is the last day, my dear children. If you have not registered, please make sure you're registering, and you should be registering for a reason. That is, you can get into the best colleges of Karnataka. That is one big reason. And not just Karnataka, the best colleges of India as well. You know how? I'll tell you. So there is a national institutional ranking framework, okay, that has been set up, that is known as NIRF. Okay, if you see, they have their official website, you can see it. So according to it, in the top 100 colleges list, top 100 engineering colleges list, we have 3 colleges from Karnataka. There are more colleges from Karnataka. Okay, I'm not mentioning those colleges. These 3 colleges, you can get into it through COMEDK as well, which is why I have mentioned, I have picked these 3 colleges. Apart from that also, obviously between 100 to 200 or 100 to 150 also, you will be finding so many colleges. There are so many, there is a list of colleges through which, through COMEDK, you can enter to these colleges. So I want you to go through it and just go and register. Please have a backup plan. It's a very, very important thing. You know, competition rate is really high. So do not miss out this information. I hope you got it. So registration started on Monday, 3rd February, and it will be there until 15th of March 2025, that is tomorrow, 12 noon. So do not be late for it. Go register. Yes, and the date of exam is on 10th May. So keep yourself free on 10th May, and you don't have to worry about the location where you would be giving the examination. I already told you, you can give the examination from the city you are in as of now. If at all the list is there in the exam center list. So if at all the name is there in the exam center list given by COMEDK department. So over here, so they have a list for every state. They have multiple cities, my dear children, so you don't have to worry. But still, if you want to check it out, there's a video that I have done. You can watch it, or probably we can put it in the comment sections, or sorry, in the description box, only if you want it. So you have to ask for it, we will provide it. Yes, so it's on 10th May. Please make yourself free. Now, what about the exam pattern, my dear children? There will be MCQ based question, 180 questions will be there. The subjects are PCM, so my subject is not there, biology is not there. So everyone who is bored of biology, you can be happy. Yeah, and you get +1 marks for all the right answers. There is no negative marking, which is very big news. Okay, and the subjects, physics 60 MCQ, chemistry 60 MCQ, and mathematics 60 MCQ, total 180 questions. Okay, so I'm just giving you a brief of things. I have just given you a brief of things, so at least you should know what I'm talking about. So please, my dear children, if you are from Karnataka, if you're not from Karnataka, if you're from outside Karnataka and you want to get into top colleges of Karnataka, please give COMEDK. It is going to be a really good decision. Just give it. Let's see if you pass it or not. That is the second thing. But the first choice is to give the examination. Okay, as I said, the competition is really high. You guys all agreeing, everyone want to be an engineer, everyone want to be this, that. So let's have a backup plan. Yeah. So I hope you're ready. If you're ready, do let us know. And if you want any help from our end, do let us know that as well. And one more thing, the step-by-step process of how you have to fill the application form, the link to it will be provided in the description box, or you can find it somewhere here. I don't know where it will pop up, but yes, it will be really helpful for you. Go watch it if you need it. Yeah. And that's all. Yeah. Wishing you all the best. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Lots of love from our team. Take care of yourself. God bless you all.